Alright, in this tutorial I will walk you through the easiest way to set up n8n completely free for beginners. Let's get started. First, go to this website render.com. It offers a free plan called Hobby, and we have to just sign up. I am using here Google account to sign it up. Then once you are inside the website dashboard, you have 4 options. Here you can select the deploy a web service option. Then once you select that option, you have to click on existing image, click over it, and then input the URL as shown on the screen. This URL is basically the n8n Docker image. Click on connect. Once you click on the connect, you will be presented with some options. Here you have to select the free plan. Click on the free tab as shown on the screen, and then scroll towards the bottom of the page. On the left side, you have to click on deploy web service. Once you click on deploy the web service, it will start installing the n8n program. It will take few minutes to install the n8n program. In my case, I ran into some issues. So once I clicked on the link, I was not able to load the page. I tried it once or twice, but it failed. So as you can see on the screen, so I scrolled up. On the right side, you will find the option of manual deploy as shown on the screen. I will click over it and then restart the service. Once I restarted the service, it was all fine. Then when I clicked on the link, I was able to open the n8n login page. So here I input all the details and clicked on the next step. Here you can click on send me a free license key. This is very essential step to get the n8n license completely for free. You can get the license key from your email, copy it, head over to n8n dashboard, and in the usage and plan section, here you can enter the activation key. So once you have pasted the activation key and clicked on activate, you are inside the n8n dashboard, and you can start creating your agents simply by starting from scratch or using any of the built-in templates. The most important thing is, now what we have done is we have installed n8n platform over render.com. But if there is a catch, if there is no activity within a period of 15 minutes, our user account or the website will be deleted. n8n platform will be deleted. So in order to avoid that, we have to create an account in the website as shown on the screen, which is called cronjob.org. The purpose of creating this account is it will act as a reminder. We can set up a task of pinging our render.com page every 5 minutes. So you can see on the screen, once I set up my account, so we can go on the cronjob.org. You have to create the cron job, and you have to paste in the URL for n8n from the render.com. You just copy this URL as shown on the screen and go to the cronjob.org website and paste it here. Then you have to set up the timer. We will set up here every 5 minutes. It will go and ping on the render.com. So we have set up the timer. Now let's just test run this. Once we click on test run, we should get the message of 200 status as shown. 200 means it's okay, everything is fine. That means it will keep on pinging the server every 5 minutes so that our task and project will not be deleted automatically. So here everything is set up, and That's how we host n8n for free.